Did you know that your personal information, like your phone number, home address, and past locations, could be listed on checkpeople.com? If you don't take action, your data stays exposed for anyone to find. Let me show you how to remove it step by step. What is checkpeople.com? CheckPeople.com is a data broker site that gathers personal details from public records and makes them easily accessible online. If your information is on this site, anyone can look it up. Opting out is the best way to protect your privacy. Now, let's go through the simple steps to remove your information. Step 1. Visit the checkpeople.com opt-out page. Step 2. Enter your city, state, and last name. Complete the CAPTCHA and click Search. Step 3. Find your record in the search results and click Remove Record. Step 4. Enter your first and last name, valid email address, complete the CAPTCHA, and click Submit Request. Step 5. Check your email inbox, open the email from checkpeople.com, and click Confirm Opt-out Request. Your request has been submitted and is being reviewed. If you prefer another way to remove your data, checkpeople.com offers additional options. By phone, call 800-267-2122 and request removal. Provide your record's URL and confirm your details. By email, send a request to support@checkpeople.com with your full name, date of birth, past, current addresses, and record URL. Here's an example of the email template you can use. Feel free to take a screenshot or save this video for reference. Removing your data from checkpeople.com is a great first step, but your personal information is still exposed on many other people's search sites. Instead of removing your data manually from 160+ sites, let Delete My Info do it for you. We handle the entire removal process, saving you time and effort. Take control of your privacy today. Visit DeleteMyInfo.com now. Like and subscribe for more privacy protection tips. Stay safe online.